Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we'll discuss about what is Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So in this video we'll discuss about like what is the Google Analytics and what is Google Search Console. So you can see that particular things. Google Analytics and Google Search Console are both Google tools that provide data about your website performance, but they serve different purpose. Like basically the Google Analytics and Google Search Console are the both Google tools that provide data about your website performance. In that you can check how your website is performing, how the user is coming from, where user is coming, number of the users comes, number of the sessions comes, number of the most visit page, number of the most devices from that user comes. So in the Google Analytics and Google Search Console we can track our website performance. So they will provide the data about our website. So let's see the definition. Google Analytics focus on user behavior. The main purpose of the Google Analytics is focus on user behavior and website performance across channel, including ads and social media. It provides insight into who your user are, how they found your website, how they interact with it. Google Analytics can also measure the impact of your Google ads. So basically if we see about the Google Analytics mainly focus on the user behavior and website performance. We can say that like across channel, including ads and social media. Like in the Google Analytics we can also track the data of the ads, we can also track the data of social media, referral, organic, direct. So all the data can be tracked by the Google Analytics. The main purpose of the Google Analytics is that it will focus only on the user behavior. It's provide insight. Basically the Google Analytics provide the data about like who your user, like who is your user, who is your targeted audience, and how they find out your website and how they interact with. Like in the Google Analytics we can also track the journey of the web users, like how the user interacted with our website. Analytics can also measure the impact of your Google Ads, how the Google Ads is performing. That can be measured by the Google Analytics part. Also number of the data come, number of the impression comes, all the things we can mention in Google Analytics. Now the Google Search Console is here. Google Search Console focus on how website perform in the Google search result. Firstly, in the Google Search Console, only the data related to the Google will be shown in the Google Search Console. It provides insight into how site appear to user searching for keyword and phrase. Google Search Console can help you monitor site presence in Google search result and identify opportunity to improve your performance. Basically, from the Google Search Console, what you can do, the Google Search Console only can help you to monitor the site presence in the Google, and identify, you can find the opportunity like to improve your performance. Basically the technical part of the SEO you can done in the Google Search Console, like sitemap submission. You can submission of the sitemap here, and the second part we can say that indexing of the pages. You can check why the page is not indexed in the Google. You can check the main part. You can check the indexing, number of the page index, number of not page index. So the multiple things we can check in the Google Analytics. So you can use both tools together to go and gain a more comprehensive understanding of your website performance. You can integrate Google Search Console with Google Analytics to view search performance data alongside user behavior. Okay. So basically normal we can see the definition. And the Google Search Console we will just see like how a website is performing in the Google search result, and we can also do some technical part like the number of the pages and tags, sitemap submission. This activity we can done in the Google Search Console. But Google Analytics is mainly focused on the user behavior, and that we can identify how user find our website, how they interact with our website, and these all the things we can track in the Google Analytics. So before accessing the Google Analytics and Google Search Console, we have to verify our domain name. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.